I really wanted to be looking at the fire and seeing as well the water and seeing the outside. I didn't feel like it was enjoyable in a place like Mykonos having a fireplace locked to a wall. And when you have from every angle this absolutely stunning view behind.
Project is the one with that features your fireplace in it on Charles Street in Manhattan. It's a very green building. It's one of the greenest buildings in New York.
The hardest part of working in a high-rise apartment is that, you're subject to all the limitations of the apartments above and below you. We decided to make our lives interesting by combining this fireplace with a TV cabinet just above it. So at the press of a button, you can turn on the fire with your fireplace remote control. And I think she was most excited about the fireplace.
Anyone who walks in, they look at the fireplace and say, wow. But you guys helped me with that. So building it in a marble suspended fireplace, you guys helping me design that, everything was incredible. I mean, I would send emails out at 4 a.m. and get an answer back.
Maybe Planika is one of the nice success that we put that we don't really need, but at the same time we do. Nothing compared to Planika and the sophistication that comes with it. We always consider Planika to our projects, and I think it's a product we believe in.